Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch off the device without using the power button. So you already know how to switch off the device. Just tap on volume up button and the lock button. Just wait. You can see the window for power off. You can see the white circle and swipe to bottom. You can see this, it will switched off. So next I will show you how to power off or switch off the device without using the power button. So with the help of accessibility shortcut menu we can do this one. So this is the accessibility shortcut menu. If you tap on this one, now here you can see the option power off. Just tap on this one. Now you can see the same window that we previously seen. Tap on the white circle and swipe to bottom. Now you can see the device is switched off. Okay. So simply in this way you can switch off or power off the device without using the power button. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.